Hey guys, good afternoon. I'm meteorologist Kevin Jeans. We're going to get an increasing chance of rain late tonight and chance of rain either in the morning or afternoon Saturday. Otherwise, the other big story this weekend will be the heat. The heat will be increasing along with the humidity. It's going to get real humid and hot, especially by Sunday for Father's Day. So what we're watching over the next 24 hours is basically what the jet stream is lined up as right now, which basically a couple of impulses in the atmosphere could bring a couple of rounds of rain in from the northwest. The question here for the chance of rain tomorrow for Saturday will be if this river of air shifts a little bit farther north than where it is positioned right now. So it's a little iffy exactly on the timing of the rain and the exact location of the rain. I know not great news for Saturday, but we know that temperatures will be on the rise. If we get some rain Saturday morning, it'll be a bit cooler in the afternoon. If we don't, it's going to be a bit warmer. So first off tonight, partly cloudy, 64 degrees for the overnight low. Should be dry, rain-free for your Friday night plans. We'll get a slight chance of rain, though, a few showers possible after midnight. And we'll get a chance of rain tomorrow morning. If not, again, later on in the day, in the afternoon and the evening. So highs around 85. If the rain kind of stays north of us, temperatures could be upper 80s, closer to 90. The problem is if we do get some of this rain, temperatures may only be in the lower 80s for the afternoon. So it's a tricky forecast for Saturday as far as the rain goes, but by Sunday, either way, it looks hot. Sunday afternoon, high temperatures up to the mid-90s, and the humidity will be much higher. Right now, a 20% chance of a shower Sunday. More than likely, you're going to end up mostly sunny and just hot and humid for Father's Day. And still in the 90s then Monday with a 50% chance of showers and storms, especially later in the day. And we'll get a chance of rain Tuesday of next week as well. But temperatures should start to fall back below 90 degrees after Monday.